Hey YouTube, making a video on my 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. Getting a hard start in the mornings, mostly when it's cold or first start up. Turn the key on to the on position and then go to turn it on, and it takes a couple seconds before it starts up. Usually it would just fire up. So right away I figured it was a fuel issue and my engine light came on. So what I did was I ran a code reader on it, getting a P062A, which is telling me my fuel pump circuit A is low. Now that could mean anything from my fuel pump is going to the fuel pump control module, fuel rail, pressure sensor, could be wiring harness connection, something like that. So I'm going to go from what I started out with was I put in fuel injector cleaner into my tank, and I'm going to run that for the day and see how that goes. I'm going to take a guess that's not going to fix it. It's probably going to be something more serious. So I'll probably have to drop the tank. You have to drop the tank to get at the fuel pump control module. I'll make a video of that once I figure out what's going on and go from there. But I know it's a fuel issue because my engine seems to be running fine. It's idling fine, but when I go to step on the gas as well, it cuts out a bit when I floor the gas, and it wants to cut out. It's like it's not getting enough fuel. It's starving for fuel. These trucks don't have fuel filters on them. The fuel filter is on the fuel pump itself. So I imagine I'm gonna have to go after that. So watch for my next video. I'll let you know what's going on with that. If the fuel injector doesn't help it, I'm gonna take a guess it doesn't, and then let you know what's happening. Thanks for watching.